Hey there folks, welcome to my kitchen. Today we're going on a culinary adventure to Poland to make bigos, also known as hunter's stew. This stew is like a warm hug on a cold day, a little bit sweet, a little bit sour, and totally delicious. It's packed with meat, sauerkraut, and cabbage, making it a hearty and satisfying meal. Imagine hunters out in the cold, cooking this over a crackling fire. That's bigos. Every family in Poland has their own special recipe, adding their favorite meats and spices, so get ready to create your own bigos masterpiece. Alright, let's gather our ingredients. This is where the fun begins. For our bigos, we'll need a mix of meats. Sausage is key for that awesome flavor, so grab some kielbasa or your favorite kind. We'll also use pork, beef, and some smoky meats like bacon or ham. Don't forget the sauerkraut and cabbage. These give bigos that tangy kick. We'll also need onions, garlic, some herbs, and of course spices like bay leaves, juniper berries, and peppercorns. To keep things juicy, we'll use red wine and beef stock. Don't worry, we'll go over everything step by step. Time to prep our ingredients. Chop the meat into bite-sized pieces. Slice the sausages. Dice the bacon into small bits. Chop the onions, garlic, and cabbage. Now for the sauerkraut, give it a good rinse under cold water and squeeze out the extra water. This will prevent our bigos from being too sour. Let's get cooking. Heat some oil in a big pot. Add the bacon and cook until it's nice and crispy. Take the bacon out and set it aside. We'll add it back later. Now, brown the chopped meat in the bacon fat. Yum. Add the onions and garlic to the pot and cook until they're soft and fragrant. Toss in the sausages and cook until they're browned. Now it's time to combine everything. Add all the ingredients to the pot along with the spices, red wine, and beef stock. Bring it to a simmer, cover it up, and let it cook for at least 3 hours, stirring occasionally. The longer it simmers, the better the flavors meld together. After 3 hours, give it a taste and add salt and pepper if needed. Serve your bigos hot with some crusty bread. Enjoy your taste of Poland.